Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Surastwaiyer, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, Infosys conducted SP and DSE exam today, but no one has successfully completed the exam. Everyone has faced the issue, either login issues or the code compilation issues. Okay, let me tell you in very much brief. So today, 17th of May, Infosys has planned SP and DSE role examination for 2026 batch, but their server has issues. Many of the students were facing login issues, and rest of the students, while submitting the code, they are getting this kind of issues that error, something went wrong, please try again. So in short, no one has successfully completed the exam. Everyone has to exit, even though they are sending new links, but with new links also students are not able to write the exam. The reason I'm making this video, because I know many of you might be panic thinking that is it happening only for me? Okay, you might be thinking that is it happening only with me? I'm not able to log in, I'm not able to execute the code, I'm not able to compile the code. So your big brother is here, you don't worry. Each and every information I'll give it to you, and Infosys will have to reschedule this examination. You need to watch this video and share with as many groups as much possible. Then only Infosys will reschedule the exam. Otherwise, one person making the video will not make the impact. I will make the video, but you need to like the video and comment as much as possible, share as much as possible. Infosys will have to reschedule the exam. You have already put a lot of effort, and your effort will not go waste. That is the promise of your big brother. Okay, and also, if I get any information, I'll be uploading the video, so don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now let's see at the problems which students are facing. Okay, so first it was coming like internal server error, go back home, when they were trying to log in. And it's not only one person, everyone is facing. See, so here if you'll see, so leave and start the new test, it's working now. But see, leave and start the new test. Okay, but what will happen? So when you will execute the code, that time it is not happening. So everyone is telling yes. So when we are executing, that time it is not happening. Okay, not able to execute the code. Why it is getting like this? It is showing sometime something went wrong. So start with the new test link. With the new test links also, it is not working. So everyone is facing this problem. Okay, see, I got the new mail, I opened the link, but still the same issue. So in any case, we are not able to write the test. So please don't worry, Infosys will have to reschedule. The only support I need from you is like the video and share, comment as much as possible. Okay, then only it will reach to Infosys team, and they will reschedule your test. Okay, so that is what I wanted to tell you in this short video. Thank you, take care, all the very best. If I get any more information, I'll bring it in front of you, but don't panic. Okay, so I'm your big brother, and I know your problems, I know your pains. I'm continuously monitoring the groups, and from that groups only I'm telling you that I understand your problem, and trust me, we will definitely ask Infosys to reschedule the exam. Thank you, take care, all the very